How to recover a disabled Instagram account. This tutorial shows you how to reactivate your account or report the issue directly through Instagram on your Android device. First, open Instagram on your Android device and try logging in with your credentials, as simply logging back in will automatically reactivate your account in most cases. After that, if you're unable to log in, open Instagram on a secondary or any other account you have access to. From there, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. At this point, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open your settings. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Following this, tap on Continue without shaking to proceed to the report screen. Once done, you'll be asked whether you want to include diagnostic information. Choose whichever option you prefer. From here, in the description box, clearly explain that you are unable to reactivate your disabled Instagram account and provide any relevant details such as your username and the issue you are facing. Finally, tap Submit to send your report to Instagram and wait for their response via email. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you recover your disabled account, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.